Thank you very much. Today we are going to learn about the new concept that we call it expanded form, the ideas of expanding. To expand means to make something big. To expand means to make something big or to make something large. That is about expanding. So here we just learn about the concept on how can you expand number, on how can you expand numbers. The opposite of expanding is factorizing. The opposite of expanding is factorizing. To factorize means to make something small. Look the following example below here. So example here try to give you the ideas on how can you expand yourself, different numbers as I show in the example here below. So we have example here that will make you to understand the lessons of expanding numbers. Let us look at example number 1. The question wants us to expand this one. This is 347. 347. So here, this is 300 and this is 47. Remember, the definition of expanding means what? Expanding is the process of expressing number in a group of tens. So when you expand, we normally use tens, 100, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, etc. So when you expand, we normally multiply the number by either 1, 10, 100, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, millions, etc. So let us look example here. Example number 1, want you to expand this one. So this is 347. 347. So you just ask yourself, this is 300. 300 is obtained by what? By taking 3 times 100. You will get 300. And what about this 40? 40 is obtained by taking 4 times 10. And how we obtain 7? 7 we obtain by taking 7 times 1. 7 times 1. Here again, this is 4,469. 8,000, 4,069. Here also you just use the idea as we use here. Remember, this number is larger than this. So this is 80,000. So you ask yourself how you are going to obtain 80,000 by taking 8 times what? Times 1,000. Here again, this is 400. This is 80,000. This is what? 400. So you ask yourself how we obtain 400. 400 you take 4 times what? 100. 4 times 100. And this is 69. You ask yourself again how we obtain 60. 60 we obtain by taking 6 times 10. 6 times 10. Then what about this one? 9 times what? 1. How we obtain 9? 9 times 1. That is how to expand number. Remember the product here, after multiplying, then you add. After multiplying, then you add. So let us look example number 3. This is 35,697. 35,697. So you just ask yourself how we obtain 30,000. You take 3 times 10,000. You will obtain 30,000. And what about this one? This is 5,000. How we obtain 5,000? By taking 5 times 1,000. You get 5,000. Then you add How we obtain 600? This is 600. 600 is obtained by taking 6 times 100. 6 times 100. And how we obtain this one? 90. 90, how we obtain? 90 times 10. 9 times 10. 9 times 10. Then you add 7. How we obtain 7? By taking 7 times 1. 7 times 1. As I told you last time here above, I told you when you expand means you use either 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, etc. So number, you expand number by using either 1, 10, 100, 1,000, etc. So let me give you exercise that will make you know as your homework there at home. This is this question asks you to expand this one, expand this one, this one, and this and that one. So try to do yourself, and if you find it difficult, just ask it to your fellow or your brother there or your sister there, so that you can get a good ideas about on how to expand the numbers.